If you're looking for the best mini longboard on the market, you've come to the right place. We've done all the hard work for you and found 5 of our favorite boards that are both affordable and high quality. So which one should you choose? Now that we know what makes these two categories of boards different from each other, let's take a look at some of our top picks. Number 5. Summit Mini Longboard. The Summit Mini Longboard is a great travel board that's lightweight, easy to carry and maneuver. It's also got just enough traction to keep you on your feet if you want to take it down a hill or something similar. The deck is made of bamboo and is pretty sturdy, so it won't break easily if you drop it or something else happens to it. The only issue with this board is that it doesn't come with a strap to hold the wheels in place. If you want to ride around without worrying about your wheels coming off, then this might not be the right board for you because there really isn't much padding on this thing. Number 4. YOCAHER Complete Mini Longboard. This mini longboard is a fun toy that you can take with you anywhere. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This board comes in 2 colors, blue and black. It is made of durable plastic and has aluminum trucks. The wheels are dual-sided and allow for easy maneuvering on most surfaces. The board measures 35 inches long by 9 inches wide by 31 inches tall, which makes it perfect for kids who are just learning to ride a skateboard or older children who are looking for something small enough to carry around without weighing them down too much. We recommend this product because it is lightweight but still sturdy enough to withstand rough play sessions with your kids or even adults who want something smaller than other boards they've owned in the past but still want something comfortable enough to use every day on their commute to work. Number 3. Loaded Boards Ballona Mini Longboard. The Loaded Boards Ballona Mini Longboard is a longboard that is perfect for cruising around town or just taking a leisurely stroll. It features a strong aluminum frame with a smooth finish, making it ideal for cruising on busy streets or hopping curbs on your way to work. The deck is made of 7-ply maple, providing you with the durability and strength needed to push the limits of the board. The Ballon handle is designed specifically for this board, so you can rest assured that it will be comfortable while riding. It also helps to reduce pressure on your wrists, which can help prevent injury when playing sports such as skating and snowboarding. The deck is made from high-quality materials and has been tested by professionals who know what they are doing when it comes to skateboarding equipment. This means that you won't have any problems with durability when riding this board down the street or over curbs. Number 2. ELOS Mini Longboard. ELOS Mini Longboard is a great board for beginners and intermediate riders. It is a fully functional longboard that has been designed to give you the best possible ride experience. The ELOS Mini Longboard has been designed to be lightweight, easy to ride and maneuverable. The deck of this longboard is made from high-quality wood that makes it sturdy and durable. The ELOS Mini Longboard comes with a set of wheels that are made from aluminum alloy, which makes them strong and durable. These wheels are also lightweight, which makes them easy to maneuver on roads or paved surfaces without causing any accidents or damage to the surface beneath you. The deck of this longboard is made from high-quality wood that makes it sturdy and durable. This deck helps in giving you an awesome riding experience without causing any damage on the outer surface of your longboard, so that it remains intact for a long period of time without getting damaged in any way at all. Number 1. Eggboards Mini Longboard. Eggboards Mini Longboard is a great choice for anyone who wants to learn to skate. It's small, lightweight, and inexpensive. The biggest downside is that it doesn't have any kind of flexibility in the wheels. However, it's still a good option for beginners because it can be taken anywhere and will help them learn how to balance on a board without worrying about damaging their phone or laptop. The Eggboards Mini Longboard is small and light enough for kids as young as 3 years old to use alone. Its wheels are made from plastic, so they won't get damaged easily, but they don't flex or give when you push down on them with your foot. This makes it harder for children under the age of 5 to control the speed at which they move forward or backward. However, older children will probably find this easier than adults do because their hands are stronger and they don't need as much dexterity in order to steer correctly while walking forward or backwards on Eggboards mini longboard.